Zenzap is one of the latest contenders in the automation software space, and before you consider buying, there are 7 key things you need to know. Whether you're new to the software or comparing it to competitors, this video will give you the essential insights so you can make an informed decision. Stick around because you won't want to miss the last point. It's a game changer. First up, Zenzap claims to streamline your marketing automation with an emphasis on simplicity. What sets it apart from others like HubSpot or ActiveCampaign is its user-friendly interface that doesn't come with the steep learning curve. This is perfect for small businesses or anyone new to automation who doesn't want to waste time on complex setups. While HubSpot offers more advanced features, Zenzap's ease of use could save you a lot of frustration. You can actually get started without feeling like you're drowning in options. Next thing, Zenzap's pricing structure. While many marketing tools have confusing tiered pricing models, Zenzap keeps it straightforward. They offer transparent plans with no hidden fees, which is often a pain point with competitors like MailChimp or Constant Contact. You know exactly what you're paying for, and unlike other tools, there's no surprise when your bill arrives each month. Zenzap's pricing allows you to scale as needed, but without pricing, that gets out of control as you grow. The third thing is Zenzap's integrations. It works seamlessly with popular tools like Google Analytics, Shopify, and WordPress. This is critical because if you're already using other platforms to run your business, Zenzap integrates in a way that doesn't disrupt your workflow. That's a major plus over platforms like Marketo, which are known for limited integration options. If you're using multiple apps, Zenzap helps connect them all into one central dashboard, making it easier to manage everything in one place. The fourth thing you should know is Zenzap's customer support. One of the standout features for Zenzap is its responsive and helpful customer service. Unlike some of the bigger platforms, where support can be slow or rely heavily on AI chatbots, Zenzap provides personalized assistance when you need it. This makes a world of difference when you're starting out and have questions. You'll get access to live chat, email support, and detailed guides to help you navigate through any issues. Next thing, Zenzap's automation tools are genuinely useful. Whether you're setting up email sequences, lead nurturing campaigns, or customer segmentation, Zenzap helps automate a lot of tedious tasks. The AI-powered workflows help you create campaigns that feel personal while being efficient. It's an edge over tools like MailChimp, which offers automation but often lacks the level of customization Zenzap provides in its workflows. This gives you more control over your marketing automation without getting bogged down in too many options. The sixth thing to consider is reporting and analytics. Zenzap offers robust tracking tools that allow you to measure the effectiveness of your campaigns in real time. If you're running email marketing, you'll get detailed insights into open rates, click rates, and conversion tracking. The analytics are simple to understand, but also provide the depth you need for in-depth reporting, making it a good alternative to more complex systems like HubSpot or Salesforce. With Zenzap, you get actionable data without feeling overwhelmed. Finally, if you're still wondering if Zenzap is right for you, here's the kicker. Zenzap offers a completely free trial, so you can experience all these features without any risk. Unlike many competitors that hide their trial periods behind lengthy forms or require credit card details upfront, Zenzap lets you dive straight in and see how it fits your business needs. This no-strings-attached trial makes it easy to test before committing. So, if you're ready to try out Zenzap for yourself, click the first link in the description below. By using this link, you'll get the best free trial offer and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on an opportunity to boost your business with the power of automation. Zenzap might just be the tool you've been searching for.